Did you know that coronary artery disease, the leading cause of death worldwide, might actually be reversible? Today, we're tackling a big question. Can I really reverse coronary artery disease? Let's find out together, and the answer might just change your life. Coronary artery disease, or CAD, is a silent killer that claims millions of lives each year. It happens when plaque clogs your arteries, choking the very lifeline of your heart. The result: chest pain, heart failure, and devastating heart attacks. But here's the thing: recent breakthroughs are turning conventional wisdom upside down. Reversal isn't a fantasy, it's a possibility. Stay tuned, because I'm diving into the science, the stories, and the steps that might just save your heart. First, let's face the facts. CAD isn't just a health problem, it's a lifestyle crisis. Poor diet, smoking, and inactivity fuel the fire. The emotional toll: immense, anxiety, depression, and the weight of an uncertain future. Add in the financial strain of treatments like surgery or lifelong medications, and it's clear, CAD doesn't just affect your heart, it affects your entire life. But here's where things get exciting. Groundbreaking research shows that with the right lifestyle changes, you can slow, stop, and even reverse CAD. Imagine clearing the pathways to your heart, not through surgery, but with changes you control. A plant-based diet rich in nutrients, consistent aerobic exercise, cutting out smoking for good. And there's proof. Dr. Dean Ornish led a revolutionary program combining these elements, and the results: astonishing. Patients not only stopped their CAD from progressing, they reversed it. Their arteries actually began to heal. Stories like these show us that CAD doesn't have to be a life sentence. It's a dynamic process we can influence. So, what does this mean for you? It means there's hope. By taking small, consistent steps, improving your diet, staying active, managing stress, you're not just managing CAD, you're fighting back. And with ongoing research into inflammation and cutting-edge treatments, the future is brighter than ever. Now, I want to hear from you. What steps are you taking for your heart health? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your story could inspire someone else. And don't stop here. Check out our next video on how omega-3 fatty acids could boost your cardiovascular health. Your heart is worth it. Thanks for watching. Together, let's make heart health a priority, and maybe even rewrite the future of coronary artery disease.